I had asked the Honorable, this is a very classic answer. Honorable Minister, this answer from the department I think will get star rating. We had asked for details of loss of incurred due to human life of various species, flora and fauna, biodiversity due to fire incidents in the forest area. Tuge answer department and dila all the fire incidents which were reported from 2022 till date were ground fire which affected the ground flora only. No significant loss of biodiversity was observed. No loss of human lives, that is okay. But this answer you see, no loss to wild animals was reported except death of 2 number of snakes. Minister Bab, the answer says that only 2 snakes were reported. Now, yam kis sang ba janda? इतलो उज पेटलो, आख्खे गोंयभर उज पेटलो, आणि 2 सोरपां मेले.